G'day, it's TimWanderer back in the water again, but this time we're heading out offshore. I'm just at Gold Coast at the Spit. We're heading out. We're probably an hour too late already. You know why? Couldn't find a car park around us. Had to park pretty far away just to find a spot, and now I've got to walk back to the boat ramp. Hopefully a good day. We're aiming for snapper or anything big, but like I always say, if I say it on camera, I'm gonna jinx it. But let's see how we go. Come and join us. That's a bait. Yeah. What do you think is that?
Yes, I think so.
Best thing today is we are going offshore and it's really calm, and I've got the weapon for today. A Ray Marine Elements 9. My friend sold it to me, or halfway selling it at the moment. I'm just testing it out, but let's see whether we pick up any fish here. Seaway Tower, this is Wanderlust. We have 2 adults on board.
Wanderlust, you're on the log. Seaway Tower out.
We have to get some fish live bait here. Just do a quick jig and see. Get the bait in the middle. Everyone's out here getting live bait. No live bait, we have to go, otherwise we're not going to get anything done. So we're at 44 meters. Man, this is shit.
Oh.
Well, that's my bait. That's a bait. Alright, at least we have a bait. They're slimy, eh? It's too big of a bait. Is it fighting?
Yep.
Yeah, look.
Smaller.
I can see them here.
Oh, look at that.
What's that? I can't see.
Squire.
Squire. Okay, in you go. Not that big though.
It's not fighting. Well, yes and no.
Right on top of the spot too. Oh, that's dinner. Come on, bring it in. Bring it in first. Come in. Bring it in, Mike. That's
that?
dinner.
Hey, is that a thingy?
Is it a
Jew?
I don't know. What is it? We're gonna make sure. We don't know what fish it is, so we're chucking it back in. I think it's MULLOWAY. So I've got 2 bottom bashing rods, 1 livey. I don't know where it's gone to. I'll say another 15 minutes. We've got nothing. We'll go to the next spot.
Oh, what is that?
Another squire. Oh no, what is that?
What the hell is that?
There are fish here at 43 meters. Squire. They're down there. See you later.
Better hope it is. Feels like it.
Yeah, see? Just past that spot and then we got fish. Oh yeah. Squire again.
Yep.
Oh no!
Oh. Don't know what the hell that is.
Oi! What's that? Finger mark or Moses perch or something?
Yeah, it looks like a finger mark. Moses perch got the black dot.
Oh, see ya! They're fish. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Feels decent.
Yep. Go. Careful your drag. Oh, that must be a squire or something. Oh.
Yeah.
Squire.
Yep.
It's getting bigger though.
Yeah.
30.
Yeah, 30.
Oh, 35 you need. In he goes.
Ew.
That's good. There's fish. Nice. Bottom bashing at 52 meters. Might be still a squire.
Does it feel
It's feel heavy.
Could be a little bit bigger.
We just need
Table
35.
size. Table size.
Something centimeter.
Table size. Can you see it? Worth it. Ooh. Oh, Flatty! Mate, get it up quickly. Quick, get
I
up.
don't have a net.
Oh,
No, don't touch it.
it's okay.
You got it. That's dinner.
Woohoo!
45. Good job, little one.
Yeah, what? Oh,
Oh, right.
bait fish again.
Another snapper. Ooh.
This might be just. What do you reckon?
Oh, I'll say 33 and a half.
Just. You're right.
33 and a half. I'm so sorry.
Oh,
You have to go back in.
That's a nice fish.
In you go, little one. Yep.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Ooh. This could be it, Tim. Could be the fish that you wanted for the companion for the table.
It's still going too.
Good. Come on. Wheel him in. Wheel him in. Did you just hit the bottom and bang?
Yeah, bottom bashing.
Excellent. Excellent.
Here we come.
Oh yeah.
Tusk.
Oh yes. Oh, it's good size.
Tusk.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Very yummy.
Well, what size do they need to be? 35.
30.
30?
Yeah.
It's my first Tuxkie.
Yep.
Yep. 30.
Yep.
Finally! Oh, day of fishing, finally. And caught a flathead and a Tuxkie, my first Tux. Very happy and
Awesome table fish.
awesome table fish. Legal size is 30 and I got it for 33 or 31. So it's perfect table fish. I can clearly see the fish activities in that rainbow section there. It's a snapper, all right. Has to be a snapper. Whoa, he's fighting.
Oh, nice.
This is it. That is that sport, eh?
Nice. Does it feel like it's fighting?
More than the Tux.
Oh, okay. It's got to be it. Because Tusk's a little bit lazy. Oh.
35?
Yes.
35?
That looks. Yes, I think so.
35?
I think so.
Please be 35?
I think so. That's 35.
That's 35. I'm taking that home.
Yes.
That's it, I'm calling it a day. It was exactly that spot.
I bloody do. I bloody would.
It was exactly that spot just then.
That's a good size.
4. So great day out. Really enjoyed it. To be honest with you, I actually think if the weather permits, we probably should come here more than Moreton Bay. There's just more areas to explore. It's a bit of a makeshift temporary installation just to test out the Ray Marine fish finder, and it's doing wonder. We're just crossing that bit where there's a bit of a dip and you can see action, and that's when I got hit with the snapper. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like, share and subscribe buttons. I really appreciate that. It's TimWanderer. I'll see you out in the water. Bye. Thank you for your support and coverage today, Sea Tower. Wanderlust out.